Okay, just now I have created this character. Yeah, she looks awesome. So I have downloaded the character. For download, you need to just copy it and open it in a new tab, and it will automatically start downloading. So I have already imported the character into Unreal Engine. So here's the character, but as you can see, here is one skeleton and one skeletal mesh. There is no animation. So let's see how we can change the character with the default one. Complementary or not. Okay, let's check. Okay, I select the character. I go to my viewport, select the character, I replace, compile, and if I try to play, oh God, it's playing, God, it's playing. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, can we change the character with this custom one? Skew, feminine. Let's see if we change the characters or not. Okay, the character is here. If I save, continue without sign up, let's see if she changes or not. Oh my God, yeah, it works. Great, it works.